not catch me. Yes, I have enough money now. Yes, for my starving mother and brothers. Please let me go. Let me go before you imprison me. Very well, officer. Take me to your bed. Good morning, Captain. No, Captain, you are mistaken. I was once a good, just like any of you here. Just like your son. But to me was when I was reared in slums. But we live honestly in life. We live honestly in life. Father, mother, sister, brother, and I. But then, poverty enters the portal of our home. My father was jobless. My mother was ill. The small savings that my mother had kept for her own expenses was spent, all for our daily needs and our medicines. One night, my father went out, telling us that he would come back with plenty of food and water. That was the last thing that he was doing. He went for another woman. If only I can lay my hands on his neck. I will wring it without pain until he breathes no more. If you were in my place, would you, Captain?